Kids flex. Here are some things that are red: an apple, a rose, and a fire truck ahead. Red is bright and full of cheer. Let's give a clap when red appears. Orange is next in the line: a pumpkin, a fox, and a sunset so fine. Warm and cozy, soft and sweet. Orange is dancing with happy feet. Here are some things that are yellow: a banana, the sun, and a smiling fellow. Yellow shines like morning light. It makes the world feel sunny and bright. Green is the color of trees and frogs, grass in the fields and moss on logs. Green is nature, fresh and clean. It's the color of everything in between. Blue is the sky and the ocean wide, a bird in the clouds that loves to glide. Cool and calm, so smooth and true. You'll feel so peaceful when you see blue. Purple is grapes and royal things, magical hats and fairy wings. It's full of fun and mystery too. Purple loves to play peekaboo.